palagi.
Oo. Pero syempre, gusto ko rin malaman kung ano yung mga bagay na miss nyo. Besides the people.
Inside the house.
Oo. Ano miss yung gawin doon na araw-araw, di ba?
Mga tasks ba ito? Walang
Ako
cellphone.
na-miss ko yung couch. May mga usapan namin sa couch na miss ko yung sobra.
Hindi nila pinapersonal mo. It's a good game.
Yeah, cute lang.
What's your Riz face? Riz face. Like this, like this. Face. Like this, like this.
Parang wala. Wala ba talaga?
No, Riz.
Yung wala. Wala. Even wala.
No game, pare.
Wala. Masay lang talaga ako.
No, you don't have game. You just got to sit there and keep it.
Wow. Ganda lang ang buncher.
Titigan mo lang. Tapos lalaki kasi yung mga yan.
Oo. Gusto ko yung boss.
Got to sit there. Alam mo,
Uy, grabe. Everyday tayo nasa Zelda.
you think we're gonna all learn our lesson?
Honestly?
Yeah.
May kinalaman niya. Basically, I was disappointed and shocked na you were actually using that against me.
What did I say?
It's basically about me, not physically
For years. You didn't know if you really did culinary school or not. For years. You didn't know if you really did culinary school or not.
Napabanggit niya na he did culinary school but we never talked about it. Yeah. But just life story, narinig ko na yun ng buo.
Because then this is his chance to really, show the people that he's gonna change.
Yeah.
From here on, yung mga comments na binigay sa kanya, sana he really takes it to heart. Because that's the process.